In this particular video, we will look into the anatomy of leaf. Now, on the basis of anatomy, we can divide leaf into two major types. The first type is dorsiventral leaf and the second type is isobilateral leaf. If we talk about dorsiventral leaf, then it is present in dicot plants and isobilateral leaf is present in the case of monocot plants. If we talk about the names dorsiventral and isobilateral, then these dorsiventral leaves, these remain horizontal in position. So this leaf will be horizontal like this. And if it is horizontal, then sunlight will obviously fall from the above surface. So it will be getting sunlight from above surface, and this above surface is called as adaxial. So ad axial surface is the upper surface. This is the lower surface. Lower surface is called as abaxial surface. So ad is the upper surface and abaxial is the lower surface. The upper surface, that is the adaxial surface, these will be more darker green and lower surface will be lighter green. So it is the difference between the two surfaces of dorsiventral leaf. If we talk about isobilateral leaf, then this leaf remains vertical, not horizontal. If the leaf remains vertical, then obviously both the surface will receive equal amount of light. So it is vertical, sunlight falls on both the surfaces, and that is why both surfaces will be equally green in the case of isobilateral leaf. After covering the main differences between dorsiventral and isobilateral leaves, we will look into detail the anatomy of first dorsiventral leaf and followed by isobilateral. In this particular case, we are looking first into dicot leaf, that is the dorsiventral leaf. If we talk of the parts that are present over here, then outermost layer is the epidermis. In the case of leaf, all the ground tissue is not divided into cortex or pericycle or pith. All the ground tissue will be present in the case of mesophyll. Apart from this ground tissue, there will be vascular system which will be present. So there will be only three parts of dicot leaf. In this particular video, we will cover the outermost part, and that is the epidermis. Now, if we talk about epidermis of dorsiventral leaf, then epidermis is present on both surfaces. So, outer surface will also have epidermis, lower surface will also have epidermis. So, we will say that upper surface epidermis is adaxial epidermis and the lower surface epidermis is abaxial epidermis. Talking about the cuticle, cuticle is present in the case of stems as well as leaves. Cuticle is absent in the case of roots. In this case, there are two surfaces and both surfaces will have conspicuous cuticle present. Talking about the stomata, stomata will be present in more numbers on the lower surface. Upper surface will have less stomata, or there may be cases in which stomata are absent in upper surface. This covers the first part of the dorsiventral leaf, that is epidermis. The remaining two parts, that is ground tissue and vascular system, we will cover in next video.